Hey guys, Nick here with Gear Nut, and today we're taking a look at the Trayvax Ascent wallet. So there's a couple things about this wallet that I think you should know before you go into buying one. I really like this wallet. I've carried it for a little while, a couple weeks, and I have put it through the paces. You guys can see the wear on this leather, and this is actually the Mississippi Mud and the black metal version. It's got beautiful black stitching, black, I guess you would say, coated little brass rivets down here. And a couple things you should know before you go into getting one of these Ascents, and that is I had to wet mold my Ascent to actually hold all the cards that I wanted it to hold. It was super stiff when I first got it, so I just dipped it in water, followed the instructions that came with the wallet, and it turned out beautifully. It broke in after about a week, and it's just been totally awesome since then. The other thing I think you should really consider is this little nylon pull tab. When you pull it, check this out, and you really yank on it, it's hard to get your cards back down in there because it binds up a little bit. So don't pull it out all the way, no issue. Because when you pull and yank and you really get it all the way out, it does bind up just a little bit. And you have to ram your cards back down and in. But if you're have a little more finesse than I do, I always yank it out all the way. My wife says I'm not subtle. You know, I'm all or none. I'm all in or all go. I don't know my own strength, right? So that is something to think about. So I do actually have 4 cards. So 4 ID cards, non-stamped. I actually molded them with cards like that, not those exact cards. And then up front, right here, I got 1, 2, and 3. So I got a total of 7 cards. You guys can see that actual, what's in the back? You can see that actual mechanism for that card, and right there is where it actually binds up. So, not a big deal, you just ram it back and down. I think it's because of this seam right here. So, but if you just pull it out that far, you're perfectly fine, works like a charm, super quick and easy to pay at the register, even if you have like an employee discount or a discount card or a rewards card and your debit card. Super cool. As you guys can see, I do have cash in there, and that's one really cool thing about this wallet. It has a little cash portion back here. Now, it's not super easy to get the cash out. Sometimes your wallet is super snug, and it's hard to pull the bills out, which I like because it prevents me from just using this on stupid stuff. It's kind of buried, it's protected. It really does protect your card numbers as well, so I really like that. Beautiful leather, beautiful tiger stitching right here, a little bit of jimping on the side so you can really get a hold of it. Pretty cool. But the cash portion of it's nice. I don't even know, how many bills do I got in here? Right now, I've got 4 bills folded up back there. Not an issue at all. It breaks in. It's real comfortable in the pocket. There's no real sharp edges to it. It is noticeably bigger than the Contour. So, if you're wondering about the Mississippi Mud color versus the Tobacco Brown, well, here they are, side by side. You guys can check them out and see what you think. But for me, I really do like the Ascent wallet. I think it's a fantastic wallet. There's some drawbacks, but it's super thin. I mean, this thing is coming in under ½ an inch in my pocket. So the background and the screen is actually ½ inch squares. So it's coming in under that in the pocket. Totally love it. It's definitely going to be one of my winter rotation wallets. I'm going to go through them. But since we're going into fall, I'm going to be switching back over to the Contour. I absolutely love the Contour. If you guys have not checked this out yet, you really should check out the Travax Contour. Super awesome. I'm not sure if I'd use this in the winter or not. I guess we'll find out this season. So Nick here with Gear Nut. If you're thinking about getting one of these, I just dropped my pencil. If you're thinking about getting one of these, I'd highly recommend it. Check the description box below. I'll see if I can't get you a discount or something. Not sure on that, but check. Maybe in the future I'll have a discount as well. But Travax, super awesome company, made in the United States. Beautiful, beautiful products. And you'll see a couple more products coming from them because they're making stuff I like. They're making stuff that is useful, and I really do dig their minimalist take on wallets. These are not super thick. They're not super heavy. They're just what you need. So, super awesome. Nick here with Gear Nut. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'll check you guys later.